guys, welcome back. So today it's a Saturday and I've been feeling a little disconnected with myself, so thought of giving myself a little mini glow up. So everything hair care, skincare, a little glam, spending time with myself, journaling. So this is my way of self-love. So there's no big plan, no big reason, it's just showing up for myself. So I sometimes feel very overwhelmed and I don't feel like doing anything and just lying down on bed. So today I thought of doing this thing so that I can feel more connected with myself. I can spend some time with myself, think about the thoughts, and give myself some time. So yeah, so right now it's late in the morning and I am having my chia seed water. This is something that I have every single day and I really love detoxifying myself early in the morning. So I try to have more and more of fluids. Yeah. So guys, today's agenda is gonna be everything about hair care. I'm gonna show you how I take care of my hair, everything skincare. I'm gonna also clean my room. I'm gonna eat some good food. I will be also watching some movie, read some books, and yeah, this is how my day is going to be. So starting with hair care, I'm gonna use this cup. So this is one of those cups जो आपके घर में कहीं पे पड़ी हुई रहती है, nobody uses it. So this is possibly could be 10-15 years old cup and I've taken it from my mom's collection. So nobody uses it right now. So I use it for mixing all oils and all of that. So lately I've been using this particular brand. So this is Nat Habit. This one is a hibiscus amla accelerated hair growth oil and you can see how much I have used it and this is so good. I'm just in love with this hair oil. तो इसी brand का मैंने एक और order किया है and this is this one. So Nat Habit का this is coconut oil, 100% pure coconut oil. So I'm gonna mix both of them. I have to restock this because this is like too good. So guys, basically what I have read about this oil is that they do some slow heating of amla and hibiscus and other ingredients and then they try to make this oil. This is actually very good, so you guys can give it a try and you can see because this has really helped me. Also guys, I have this tiny bottle. So this is a rosemary oil. So I've been using this one also. I just take a few drops and mix it. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 drops. Yeah, I think that should be enough. Mix and I'm gonna massage it. So yeah. So guys, now that I'm done with oiling my hair, I also had some good food and now it's time for some skincare. So firstly, I'm gonna go wash my face with this CeraVe face wash. So this is a gel-based formulation, not that foaming face wash. I don't know why, but foaming face wash does not suit my skin. So I've been using this one for quite some time and this has given me really great results. Second step that I'm gonna do is a scrub. So I've been using this Everyuth scrub. This is that apricot exfoliating scrub. So this is a very basic one. I don't know why after using so many different brands, मैं last में घूम फिर के इसी में आ जाती हूँ. And lastly, I have a face mask. And this is that viral foxtail purple face mask. So ये भी मैं काफी टाइम से यूज कर रही हूँ and this is so good. This smells amazing. This gives you that amazing feel. I just got done with shower and before we move on, I'm gonna tell you which shampoo I used. So this is the pretty bottle that I used from L'Oreal Professional. This is the Liss Unlimited. This is basically for that intensive smoothing. So this just gives you a very, keratin effect. And along with this, I also had the same Liss Unlimited hair mask. So these are the two bottles that I've been using for quite some time and this is really good. Just took shower, cleaned my room and also made myself a coffee. So I just made iced Americano. I love this. And who is she? I got done with so much of work, and I'm gonna show you few of the new skincare products that I just got recently delivered. So these are like some of the restocks, and some of them are the new ones that I really wanted to try. So basically these are the eye patches. तो क्या होता है ना, recently someone told me that you don't have dark circles, and I was so happy that really I don't have dark circles, and I do night shifts. But after a few days I saw dark circles, so I thought I need to do something about it. एंड इसलिए मैंने ये क्यूट सा बॉटल डॉट एंड की का मंगा लिया है. इसमें है आई पैचेस, एंड ये काफी सूदिंग है, ऐसा मैंने सुना है. रिव्यूज काफी अच्छा है, सो आई थॉट ऑफ ट्राइंग इट. सो दिस इज द बॉटल. इट कम्स विद अ स्पैचुला एंड देन इट्स ओपन अप. Oh my god, this is so good. So there are almost like 60 patches here. Okay, can you see this? This is so cute. While I have this under my eye and leave it for some time to dry up, I am also going to use this jade roller which I recently started using. So मैंने इसको freeze कर लिया है ताकि ये थोड़ा सा tinkling सा ऐसे ठंडा ठंडा रहेगा. And I'm going to just massage my face and have my coffee. Guys, I have done my glam and also filmed this makeup look, which I'm gonna post in my Instagram as well as in my YouTube shorts. So if you guys have sticked around with me up until now, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share some loves. So basically I am going out now. I'm going to a cafe just to do some deep thought analysis, just to reflect on myself and reconnect with myself. I just love going on solo dates. It's all about reflecting on myself. So I'm gonna see you in a while in the cafe very soon. I wanted to go to a cute coffee shop, but मेरे आसपास में मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. So I thought of coming to Starbucks and sit here for some time and work for some time. So let's get inside and have my favorite coffee. Yeah, no problem. Is as usual the cute coffee mugs here. So guys, my coffee is here and I was craving for this coffee. It's so amazing. I have taken cappuccino. Okay, so मेरा एक YouTube video live किया है, so I'm just tracking that, what is the progress and what's happening there. Going to edit some of my pictures जो मैं Instagram में post करने वाली हूँ. So let's do that first. So guys, I just had my coffee and right now I'm just walking in this empty street. और मुझे ऐसे वॉक करना बहुत पसंद है, बट टाइम नहीं मिलता तो मैं इतना वॉक नहीं कर पाती. बट नाउ दैट आई हैव सम टाइम, तो आई एम थिंकिंग दैट आई विल जस्ट वॉक अराउंड हियर इन द स्ट्रीट. काफ़ी अच्छा सा वेदर है एक्चुअली, थोड़ा ठंडा ठंडा सा है, इतना गर्मी नहीं है. तो आई एम लाइक चिलिंग एंड एन्जॉइंग दिस टाइम. काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है ऐसे वॉक करने में. तो या आई विल जस्ट वॉक फॉर सम टाइम एंड आई एम स्टार्विंग राइट नाउ. इट्स डिनर टाइम ऑलरेडी. आई जस्ट वांट टू गो होम and eat some good dinner. So I'm waiting for that. Let's see what I eat. I have to order some groceries, so I'm going to order that as well घर जाके. बाकी अभी यहाँ पर टाइम स्पेंड करके ना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. I am back home and I'm here to reflect on my entire day of summer glow up, and the day is still remaining, it's not over yet. So basically, why do we need a summer glow up? And don't get confused only with the skincare and hair care or overall things that you do for yourself to make yourself look better, but it's also something to do with your mind. It's like lately I've been feeling very very overwhelmed. I don't know what happened to me, but मुझे बहुत ही अजीब feel हो रहा था. I tried speaking with my friends and my family, my brother, but it was not helping me at all. I mean, I was not able to connect with my thoughts and I was not able to understand what is going in my mind. And it was a much needed break that I did for myself. I went to a cafe and I had my favorite cup of coffee, and I just reflected on my entire life, like what am I going through, what I am doing. So basically, I'll tell you something, it does not only make you look better, but it also boosts your confidence. So first, it will make you feel so much good from inside and out. Second, it will reset your mind entirely. It will release all your tension and stress and you will feel so much better after this. Third, it's a very good way of seasonal, self-care. I truly believe in self-love and your path and your journey towards your self-growth. Basically, seasonal self-care is really important. And when it comes to summer glow up, I highly recommend this because I was not feeling good at all. There's so much heat and there's so much exposure to sun, and the place where I'm living in, it's so much humid here that you are every day exposed to sun. Your skin is exposed to sun. You're going on social events, and a little extra care, a little extra skincare would make a huge difference. It just gives you an instant hydration, and it's important for your skin, not only for your skin but also your overall mental health. Now, talking about solo dates, it's really important for me because it just gives you some time to reconnect with yourself without any distraction, and you are going to reflect on how your day has been, your week has been, and you can do so much better. You can improve and work towards what has not gone well. Doing something solo, it can be just going to a cafe or for a movie date, or just going for a dinner or shopping. It just gives you that self-assurance and makes you feel more empowered. Also, I truly believe it's important to change your environment. So when I went to the cafe, I felt so much amazing. I saw people, just a group of friends enjoying. I saw people making content. I saw people on video call with their partners and boyfriends. I saw someone who was just making paintings, and I saw someone who was just walking. So when you are in a cafe, your entire scenery change. It's great for journaling. It's great to, plan your entire week and reflect on how your week has been and do better. People keep asking me, why do I always go solo and alone? So there's a huge difference between being lonely and going alone. So you don't have to match up with someone else's time, schedule, and energy. You can just get up and go at your own pace. I need you guys to take a look on my makeup. It looks so flattering, so much glossy, so much nude, something which I always wanted to have. I just don't feel like removing them. Okay guys, I'm gonna change and come back very soon. So guys, I'm done with dinner and now it's time to take care of my nails. So tomorrow I have a wedding to attend और ऐसे nails लेके मुझे जाने का मन नहीं है. So I'm here to put some good nail paint on here. So I have this nail filer and a little cuticle cutter, and I have this very pretty pink nail paint. ये भी नया ही है, तो I thought of trying this one. Lately I've been obsessed with color pink, and साथ में मेरे पास एक और चीज़ है. So basically this is a rock hard nail hardener. So basically इससे आपके जो nails जो बहुत soft होते हैं, जो बहुत जल्दी टूट जाते हैं, ये अगर आप एक कोट लगा लोगे तो you will get a instant shine, और ये आपके nails टूटेगा नहीं, आपका nails जो है काफ़ी hard सा हो जाता है इसकी वजह से. So ये दोनों मैं use करने वाली हूँ, but for that I have to have a good shape. और let's file. So meanwhile this dries up, I want to quickly show you this book that I'm currently reading. So this is Man's Search for Meaning. I know मैंने ये लास्ट वीडियो में भी दिखाया था कि मैं ये पढ़ रही हूँ, एंड आई एम स्टिल रीडिंग इट बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू फिनिश अप दिस बुक, क्योंकि लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत हेक्टिक चल रही है और मुझे टाइम बिल्कुल नहीं मिल रहा है कि मैं पढूं. बट आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू लीव द बुक इन बिटवीन, बिकॉज मेरे साथ ये हमेशा हुआ है कि मैंने बुक स्टार्ट की है और मैंने बीच में ही काफ़ी सारा पेजेस पढ़ने के बाद डिसकंटिन्यू कर दिया है. बट दिस टाइम आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू द सेम थिंग. आज जब मुझे टाइम मिला है, सो आई एम गोना रीड दिस बुक अ लिटिल बिट, क्योंकि जल्दी सोना भी है मुझे. सो आई एम गोना रीड दिस बुक एंड ऑल्सो लेट मी शो यू माई करंट फेवरेट planner. So this is a very pretty planner that I am currently using and this is like really good. मैंने काफी सारे pages में लिखे भी हुए हैं. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं इसको रोज लिखूँ, but you know somehow I tend to miss writing it daily. So I also want to try writing things in this planner and work accordingly on a daily basis. So I'm gonna write everything that I need to do tomorrow. So there's one good thing which is here in this planner, and it starts with I am grateful for. Okay, and a second thing is affirmations, and a third thing is goals like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, then good habits to adopt and bad habits to leave. And there's like the list and to-do list that you can make, and then at the end you can also give a productivity score here, which is really good, and you can write here how can I make tomorrow better. So I think this is really cool, and यहाँ पे notes and doodles and today's learning ये सब चीजें भी आप थोड़ी बहुत लिख सकते हो, and top 3 priorities here. अभी क्विकली इसके ऊपर ये भी लगा लेते हैं, क्योंकि I just don't want to waste any more time. Let me show you one of my nails. So do you guys see this shine here? So basically ऐसा ही है, काफी अच्छा है. You can give it a try. So I'm gonna paint all my nails here. So guys, it's a wrap on the summer glow up journey. So whether it's a glowing skin or shiny hair or radiant mindset, it's important that you glow from within. Don't just glow up for a season, but glow up every single day. Keep shining, keep thriving, and romanticize your life a little every single day. If this video gave you even one reason to smile, like, share, comment, and hit that subscribe button to join the glow up gang. I'll see you next time in my next video. Until then, stay glowing, stay golden. I appreciate you. Bye bye.